I think the proposal is hugely significant. The principle of European solidarity embodied in the grant element of this proposal is the key thing for the markets to focus on. Yes, the sizes, although large in notional terms, are small relative to the kind of Italian debt problem. It's the principle that's being established that can then be taken forward into future initiatives. In terms of the actual numbers hitting the market, I think what the ECB is doing is far more significant, and you've clearly got market expectations ramping up about an expansion of their program next week.
Christopher, my issue with it, though, is just how quickly the money makes its way to Italy or any other countries. It seems to me that because the process involves national parliaments, we could actually be waiting well into 2021 before the money begins to be distributed. And I wonder whether we've even got through the political objections yet, given that the allocation key suggests that the bulk of the funding will find its way from Northern Europe to Southern Europe, which is something the Frugal Four are still pretty unhappy about.
Oh, so there are definitely challenges ahead for this. So you've identified the Frugal Four as being one. We're also having voices out of Eastern Europe questioning why countries with lower GDP per capita should be subsidising countries in Southern Europe with higher GDP per capita. So Viktor Orban on the wires this morning kind of expressing some concerns. So the money from the EU Recovery Fund definitely will come through slowly. The money that will come through incredibly quickly is from the ECB. We don't have the breakdown yet of the pandemic emergency purchase programme by country, but the suspicion is that they've bought something in the order of 100 billion euros worth of Italian bonds over the course of the last couple of months. And so that money is hitting now. We'll find out about the details next week when they're due to release the schedule of what they have purchased kind of line by line for the last couple of months. And we'll obviously find out about whether they're going to upsize again at the next ECB meeting. So there's a sort of a long-term solution that's being pushed through on the recovery fund and the short-term sticking plaster being applied by the ECB.